Hey guys, so it's Monday morning. It's a little bit early. It's actually 8:49. I have to go and do a meeting in North New Jersey. So on those days, once a month, I gotta do that. I actually leave the house late because I have to travel there, and the advantage is that I don't even get to work late. I just go back to work because I have to travel for quite some time. So I'm making some food for tonight. It's gonna go into the pot, and I'm just cutting onions right now in big coarse pieces. I'm not dicing it, really fine. And what I'm gonna do is the pork loin that I showed you in yesterday's video in the Aldi haul. Scott has to go to New York today. He has to go to his now former employer's house in upstate New York and drop off the Simtic, but he gets to keep the computer, so that's good, because Scott needed a new computer, so I guess that's a plus. So he's not going to be home most of the day, and neither will I. And tonight when I come home, I have stuff to do. So I'm preparing dinner now. Whenever you can, cook ahead, all right? We're gonna look into more meal planning, and we're going to look into more bulk cooking as well, to see how that works out for us. Because we have a large freezer in the garage, you know that. So, and right now it's, other than bread and Entenmann donuts and what else we have, pizzas, and maybe some chicken. We really don't have much in there, so we might as well just start packing the food. You know, easy things. Something like, oh, I don't know, meatballs would be easy to make and freeze. Lasagna is easy to make and freeze, though I have to be honest, I never made lasagna before, but it's a good opportunity to take on the challenge and learn new things, right? Right now what I'm doing is I'm just peeling some garlic, and then I gotta really wash my hands because I'm gonna go to work with the smell of garlic on my hands. Again, in big chunks. I don't need to mince anything because it's going into the crock pot. Anyway. Okay. I do need a few pieces to put inside the meat. So I'm just going to keep 4 cloves. And these 4 are going to go directly inside the meat as big chunks for extra flavor. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got it. We are in my Cosori cooker. I just turned it on brown. This is hard water spots that you see from the dishwasher, no biggie. Just putting a olive oil at the bottom here. And what I'm gonna do is start browning my onion and my garlic, and then I'm going to brown the meat. So all I'm doing is browning and softening my garlic and my onions here. I'm just going to add a little bit of herbs, because remember, this is going to be on slow cooker for the whole day. So here I have some oregano, and I'm going to add some fresh parsley. Here's black peppercorn. And a little bit of salt. That's it. And while that's browning, I'm just gonna go ahead and place my garlic directly into the meat, here and there. You notice we like garlic in this house, right? Very much so. Now this is a lot of meat, and what I'm planning on doing is whatever I got leftovers, I can make a lot of things with that. I can make cold sandwiches to bring to lunch. I can cube the meat and put it over salad. I mean, there's a lot of things I can do with this. I know it's a big chunk. I'm gonna remove some of the fat that's right here, because we don't need no extra fat. Okay. And this is browning. I'm ready to put in my meat. So I'm just gonna let it brown on all sides, about 10 minutes on each side. No need to put a lid on it right now. And then once that's done, I'll add some potatoes over it, a little bit more seasoning, put it on slow cooker, close it, and that would be it. So I'm done browning the meat, and all I'm going to do is add chunks of potatoes all over it. Remember, I got 3 guys in the house, okay? They're meat and potato guys. Add a little bit more of the black peppercorn. A little bit more of the parsley. A little bit more of the oregano. And that's it. I'm stopping the browning. I'm just gonna put it on slow cook for 8 hours. Add the lid, and that's it, you guys. 8 hours. It is 9 something. It will be done by 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. So by the time I come back from karate with Willie at around 7:30, we'll be ready to eat, and I'll serve that with a salad and some green vegetables. So what's the cost? If you remember from the video yesterday on the Aldi haul, I paid under $9 for that big chunk of pork. Now, remember, pork is one of those meats that just really shrinks when you cook it. It does get tender because it's in the crock pot or the slow cooker, but it does shrink, so it's not gonna be that big by the time I come home tonight. However, $9 for this whole piece. I would say $2 worth of potatoes and other ingredients. So we're gonna be 5 people eating, so that's 9, 10, 11 divided by 5. So that's $2.20 per person. I can do better. So can you. But it's still an improvement compared to you know, the regular meals that I make. So you let me know down below if you want to see more recipes, frugal recipes, or recipes in general. I don't mind sharing what I make in the house. I'll see you again. This is not done. You know, I'm gonna do a break, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like tonight, so you get an idea of what it looks like once it's served. But all I have to do now is walk away. I can go to work, Scott can do what he gotta do, and I am done. So salad and veggies for tonight with this, and that's it. So I'll be right back. 8 p.m. and this is done. This is what it looks like. It's cooked it has cooked all day. So I have potatoes, lots of juice, and my loin right here. So let me put the potatoes to the side. I do have some green beans I'm gonna serve with it, and then I'm gonna start cutting my meat and put it on the platter, and let's see what it looks like. Alright, so here it is. That's our meal. We got a pork loin, potatoes, and string beans, and a salad on the side. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe. I'm telling you, ladies, you don't have to sweat it. So if you like this kind of video and you want me to do more easy cooking for working moms, comment down below, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye!